Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. It could be practically almost any Hyundai vehicle. We're going to explain where to find the airbag impact crash sensors guys. Stay with us, we'll explain what to expect. There could be usually 3 different locations for those, so we're going to cover that as we go. Make sure to stay until the end, it could be any of those. And there is one thing that we need to share, okay, to reduce the risk of working on the airbag system, but it's always dangerous to work on airbag systems, so consider this entertaining video and not a how-to video. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So on that Hyundai guys, okay, we have the we have the grill already pre-loosened, so we can remove it and show you a few things guys what to expect, okay, when looking for an airbag crash impact sensor. So you need to guys first disconnect your car battery for at least 1 hour every time before working on airbag system, moving sensors, disconnecting cables, anything like that guys. It needs to be disconnected. On these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative. If you do it the wrong way guys, what can happen actually, you can cause damage to the electrical systems, computer modules. So if you want to find out which terminal to disconnect first on a car battery, we have a video that explains that, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. With that being said guys, what to look for once you're about right here where the radiator support is, you need to start looking for sensors. Sometimes they could be somewhere here in the middle. Look for that. On the crash bar right here, see if you have any cables, any sensors. Nothing here guys. Then what you need to look for, okay, on the upper radiator support, Hyundai often uses them guys. So like right here, if you look at it, sometimes you may have a bolt, sometimes the bolt goes through that, or the nut is on the back side. We have a sensor, crash impact sensor. You can see that plastic little thing that's sticking out, that's the airbag sensor, and if you poke your head through here you can actually see it. Now we're going to remove the nut and explain, okay, what it looks like, where they're located. Sometimes shapes will differ. Another thing guys, okay, that you will need to look for, okay, is on the frame rail right here. They could be there as well. So we need to inspect the frame rail to make sure it's not there as well guys. And I'm talking about, okay, you can see here that rail, okay, that we are having right here on the inside or on the outside in some cases. So the nut has been removed on that sensor, and let's go ahead, remove it and show you, okay, this is it. You can see that's an impact sensor. Most of the times we see them on Hyundais, on the upper radiator support, on the crash rails or the crash bar here guys. So that's where you would expect usually to find them, with some of course minor differences here and there. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We'll have different videos how to fix airbag codes and things like that on the channel. Also we have another channel, as I said, most of the electrical videos and components will be on Electrical Car Repair Live. Please check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.